Hello students, good morning. Today we will solve this problem of petty cash book. See the problem. Prepare a petty cash book on the IMPRES system from the following particulars. Month of July 1st, 2016. Received rupees 10,000 from the cashier, that is from head cashier. So this amount will be on the receipt side. 3rd July, purchase stationery rupees 800. It will be in printing and stationery column. 6th July, paid for wages rupees 500 and for charity rupees 300. In wages column rupees 500 and charity we can prepare separate column for charity, or we can write it in miscellaneous expenses column. On 7th July, purchase soap rupees 200 and paid for newspaper bill rupees 700. All these items are miscellaneous items, so we can write them in miscellaneous expenses column. 9th July, paid taxi fare rupees 800 and cartage rupees 200. Taxi fare will be in travelling and conveyance column and cartage will be in cartage column. 12th July, paid postal expenses rupees 600 in postage and telegram column. 14th July, paid auto fare rupees 380 and paid for courier services rupees 70. Auto fare will be in travelling and conveyance column and courier expenses will be in postage column. You can write postage and courier services heading also. Then next on 25th July, speed post charges rupees 400 and wages rupees 600. Speed post charges will be in postage column and wages will be in wages column. 26th, paid cartage rupees 450, again is in cartage column. 27th, refreshment expenses rupees 800 and photo stating charges rupees 400. Both are miscellaneous expenses, so we can write it in miscellaneous expenses. आपण वेगळे कॉलमही तयार करू शकतो, पण एवढे कॉलम करण्याची गरज नाही. 28th July, पेन अँड पेन्सिल्स रुपीज 750, दिस इज स्टेशनरी. 29th July, wages rupees 300 and 31st July, loading charges rupees 150. Loading charges will be in the column of cartage. Okay, so let's solve this problem and prepare petty cash book. So now from this problem we will prepare analytical petty cash book. Amount received, cash book folio. These are columns of debit side. Date and particular columns are common and these columns are from credit side. About payments, in this problem there is stationery charges, postal charges, wages, cartage, travelling and conveyance, and other thing we will write in miscellaneous expenses. Okay, so let's prepare the accounts. First account will be any account you can prepare. Postage account. Then we'll prepare wages. You can prepare any account first. Order of accounts is not important. Travelling and conveyance. Then let's prepare cartage, stationery, and miscellaneous expenses. ही हेडिंग्स मी दिलेली आहेत. याच्या व्यतिरिक्त जे काही येईल ते सगळे मिसलेनियस एक्सपेन्सेसमध्ये टाकायचं आहे आपल्याला. ओके, सो लेट स्टार्ट. हियर मंथ इज ऑफ जुलै, सो इन डेट कॉलम 2016 अगेन, July 1st. Received rupees 10,000 from the cashier, so to cash account. I think the business is big, so the petty cashier is receiving rupees 10,000 at the starting of the month and all entries are given from the month of July. To cash 10,000. Now purchase stationery rupees 800, so on 3rd July, buy stationery in total column 800 and in stationery column 800, dash in other columns. डॅश करायलाच पाहिजे असं नाही, कळण्यासाठी डॅश करते मी. आता 6th paid for wages and for charity. So buy wages on 6th, wages and buy charity. Wages amount is 500, in wages column 500. Charity amount given is 300 in total payments column, and then charity column is not prepared here, so in miscellaneous expenses 300. Okay, next 7th purchased soap rupees 200. So on 7th buy soap purchased worth rupees 200. So 200 in total column, and soap amount is related to miscellaneous expenses. साबण परचेस केला आहे स्वच्छतेसाठी, सो इन miscellaneous expenses 200. Then paid for newspaper bill rupees 700. So on the same date buy newspaper bill amount is 700, and again in miscellaneous expenses 700. Then on 9th taxi fare buy taxi fare amount total is 800, in conveyance column 800. Then on the same date cartage rupees 200. Cartage 200, and in cartage column 200 rupees. Okay, now next entry 12th. मला अक्षर जरा लहान काढावं लागतंय पेजवर मावण्यासाठी. पोस्टल एक्सपेन्सेस 600 बाय 600 in total column, and in postage column 600. Now 14th buy auto fare rupees 380, and in conveyance column 380. Then on the same date courier services courier expenses amount given is rupees 70. We will include these charges in postage. Here we can write postage and courier charges 70. Then speed post charges on 25th by speed post charges amount is rupees 400, and in postage 400. स्पीड पोस्ट चार्जेस नंतर 25 तारखेला वेजेस रुपीज 600, and in wages column 600. 26th cartage 450 by cartage amount is 450 in cartage column 450. Then 27th refreshment expenses rupees 800 by refreshment expenses amount 800 in total column, and as we have not prepared refreshment column, 800 will be in last column, that is miscellaneous expenses column. Now 27th again photo stating charges again on 27th. By photostating charges, amount is 400 and photostating means Xerox charges in miscellaneous column 400. Now 28th. Stationery again, pen and pencils. You can write as pen and pencils also. So pen, pencils, etc. Amount is 750 rupees. So it will be in stationery column. $750. 29th wages again. $300 and in wages column 300. And last entry is on 31st July. Loading charges 150. Okay, so by loading charges 150. I hope की तुम्हाला नीट दिसतंय. By loading charges 150. It is related to cartage, so in cartage column 150 and dash in other columns. Okay, and now we have to tally करूया आता. First we have to add all these items. Total of all these expenses it is 8,400. Now add this 1,070, 1,400, 1,180, 800, 1,550, 2,400. Okay, total of all these items 2,400 plus 1,550 plus 800 plus 1,180 plus 1,400 plus 1,070 is 8,400. Total of all these expenses and all these expenses should be the same. जर काही चुकलं तर त्याचा अर्थ तुमचं करताना चुकलं असा अर्थ होतो. Now we have to tally for rupees 10,000. So debit total is 10,000, which is the big amount. Credit total is 8,400. So 10,000, 10,000. 10,000 minus credit total 8,400. Difference is 1,600. So on 31st July, that is at the end of the month, buy balance carried down 1,600. And below the total, on the first date of next month after July, August 1st, to balance brought down 1,600 in receipt column, and on the same date they will receive from head cashier. The petty cashier will receive from head cashier. दिसतंय ना तुम्हाला? Petty cashier will receive from head cashier the amount spent by him, that is rupees 8,400. So again to cash account 8,000 400. Okay, in this way you have to tally the analytical petty cash book. Now you have to pass the journal entries and prepare ledger accounts from this analytical petty cash book just for practice. एक्झाममध्ये तुम्हाला फक्त ॲनालिटिकल पेटी कॅश बुक तयार करायचे आहे, जर्नल आणि लेजर विचारलेलं असणार नाही. ओके, सो डू द नीडफुल नाव, पास solve this problem in your notebook, and then from this problem pass the necessary journal entries. Understood? That's all.